Okay, hi, I'm Lieutenant Jeff Denton with Stratham Fire Department. Today we're going to go over the APX6000XE radio that we'll be deploying hopefully today. So there's very similar to the HTX 2500s that we have been using. You know, your main power button, just turn it on. The way we're going to have these set up, we're having these radio straps, and you'll be able to just turn this on full blast, and we have almost all controllability through the external handset. So once you turn it on, just turn it on all the way. A couple of things to take a quick look at it first. If for some reason you need to change the zone or anything else, this little keyboard lock needs to come off, and then you can access the zones by using this button here, and then scrolling up and down to select the zone, and then hit select. But just make sure you put the lock back on once you're done. It's that little lock button right there. On the radio itself, we've got our power button and volume, your channels 1 through 16 for each bank. You have a Mayday button, which is active on these radios. It will send a Mayday to all the radios on Seacoast. It's programmed to transmit on Seacoast no matter what channel you have selected on the radio for Mayday purposes. Again, on the handset, we've got a Mayday button here. You can see it's got a recessed cage around it so that you can not accidentally hit it. So once you've got the radio on, most of the functionalities here, you'll see this actually, when it turns on, is a strobe test light. If you had a Mayday, that would strobe and hopefully mark your position. You can also hold this button on, and it's also a flashlight, and then push it and it goes off. So you've got your clip. Again, your channel selector here. You can check the
Lock 1.
Different
Lock 2.
Channels.
Seacoast repeater.
Channels are all the same. There's a Bluetooth indicator when you're on Bluetooth. Those will be paired, and there'll be another video about pairing as well. Again, Mayday button, transmit button. You got your volume up and down here, and this button right here toggles the scan off and on. So by
Scan on. Scan off.
And the scan bank is preset to Seacoast, Rock 1 through 4, and all the V-fires at this point. If you want to scan something else, we do have a station radio that can be used, but I like to keep that scanning on capability adjusted to the basics that we need on Fireground for now, and all the radios will be set up like that. You have to replace the battery. There's two little clips on the bottom. Right here, you got to push those in. They're kind of tough right now, and the batteries come out. We've got a battery charging bank. When you put this in, it should tell you the health of the battery. If you wanted to do a deep cycle charge, pull it out, put it back in, you'll see it blink orange. And there's a little LED that on the battery charger that tells you that it's going through a full cycle discharge and then recharge for conditioning. Put it back in, just click it in, so the two clicks.
Zone A.
Seacoast repeater.
And that's about it. So again, when you need to put these back in the case, they're a little strange. You gotta put it in, and this little strap has to go underneath the external radio, and then you've got the normal straps here. What you'll see on this, we've got it set up to put this on. When it goes on, it's going to be a little crosswise, so you may have to adjust it. And on this as well, each radio should have an anti-sway strap that you can clip on the back. And this is a fob. This is our MSA pairing fob. This is what pairs the radio to the air packs. So other than that, it's pretty much straightforward. It's got a 6-watt transmitter, so a little bit better than the old radios. And from what I've seen so far, the radios work much better. So you've got the capability to pull this out. This is designed to be used with a gloved hand. So it's designed by firefighters for firefighters. So that's all for the APX6000 overview and use. We'll be planning on putting these in service soon. Thank you.